Investing in your favorite deal shouldn't have limits. With Sally's Invest Again feature, you can commit capital from more than one profile, like your trust and your LLC, into the same deal. Open the deal, click Invest Now. Select your first profile, enter your commitment. Complete the signing and funding steps. Once finished, click Invest Again. Sally creates a new deal tile in your dashboard, giving you a fresh invitation to invest a second time. Click the new tile, choose your second profile, and just like before, commit funds, sign the documents, and complete the funding. Now both investments show side by side, one from your LLC and one from your trust. With Invest Again, Sally gives you the flexibility to invest through multiple profiles without confusion or extra work, all in one seamless workflow.